Hello everyone! Today is the 1st of May. It means we have a holiday again in Russia. We call this holiday Mir, Trud, May, which can be translated like peace, work and May. But the funny thing, in the holiday of work nobody is working. Everyone have a day off. So today we came to the nature, to our dacha, and we will work here. Today I got the mission to make the strawberry прополоть. And for this I will need gloves. And now I will look for a special tool to do it. Here is it. So now we have тяпка and перчатки. Let's go. Now I have the second task to clean this bochka. We use it for water, but every spring it's getting dirty and we need to clean it first and then put water inside of it. Welcome to бочка. Где это ведро-то? Where is ведро, мама? So we keep water supplies here, but first of all we need to make it clean. So that's why I am inside of бочка with метелка and совок.
Трудница, работница. Все чистота кругом.
This is for disinfection. So now this bochka is almost done, it's clean, and all we need to do is just to put the special disinfection to make it amazing, properly clean. So we will use this gubka and this margansovka. So we finished with cleaning of bochka, and now I'm going to do the next task. Let's see what is it. My next task in dacha will be to plant the seeds. So I will put them in the ground and soon they will start growing.
Рядочка наметает. Ух ты, поленом.
So today we need to choose which plants we will put in the ground. And since we came to dacha first time and it will be the first time this year when we put it, we have here cucumbers, петрушка, шпинат, еще шпинат, редиска, капуста, базилик, китайская капуста, спаржа, фасоль. Очень много всего. A lot of things. Today we will choose just a few of them. Шпинат, салат, daikon and редиска. Because these plants can grow even in the cold weather like it is now. And they grow fast, so soon we will eat fresh greenery. And all this we will plant later, next week. So we take the seeds out. This is the seeds of spinach. They are big.
Mm-hmm.
And we will put them in the ground. Perfect. And now we will put... Что это?
Кинза.
Кинза.
Кориандр. Это семечки. Кориандр называется, так? Кинза. Когда вырастет.
Нормально. Окей. Next. Укроп.
А прям щепоткой сыпли.
Okay. Next is petrushka. The petrushka. Very small seeds. You can see. And here will be 2 rows of редиска. So to plant these seeds, first of all, you should dig the ground, make it soft, because look here, before it was like that. I did it soft, make it flat, and then put special rows for putting seeds. And after we finish putting seeds inside the ground, we will put the ground on them. And then we will put some water on it. It will grow. Next week we will see the first green leaves from the ground. We find big червяк. So worm. Okay, it's ready. А поливать будем?
Давай польем.
And we should...
Мимо льется. Поливка.
My mother is climbing. In Russia, we have some insects which can be really dangerous. That's why we use special spray to protect ourselves. These insects called клещи, and they are mostly dangerous during the spring. So in May, they are the most active, so now we should be really careful if we go inside of the forest. And now we go inside of the forest to make one important mission. I will show you. Our mission today is to find the juice, the birch tree juice. This juice you can find only in spring, especially during the April till the middle of May time. This time the water from the ground is going to the trees inside and then to the leaves. And during this time it's like the blood inside of the tree. So you can take a little bit of this blood without destroying the tree, without any damage. And you can make a small hole, or you can cut a little bit of the birch tree, I mean the ветка of the tree, and take a little bit of the juice without destroying the tree. And you can collect the juice, and during one night or a few hours, depending on how intensive this juice is going, you can take some amount of this juice and enjoy. The flavor of this juice is like a water, a little bit of sweet, like naturally sweetened. So it's amazing flavor. My mother collected juice. Baikal. So we collected juice of the birch tree. Thank you, tree. I hope we didn't destroy you much. It's like the small scratch on the skin, but it will be fine. And let's try the juice. It's very cold, but the flavor of it is like water, a little bit of sweet taste, and very fresh. I love it. In Russia, we can eat everything, even the pine tree. It's my mom who knows everything how to survive in the nature. Show me what you do. So we clean this new piece of pine, and what? We can eat it. How is it? Вкусно. So now I will try as well. It's cleaned. It's fresh with like the flavor, yeah, the flavor of pine tree. It's nice. I like it.
Собирать от кашля, если так-то ничего.
This is the birch tree kara, and we take this kara to make musical instrument, and now my mother will play it. Oh. So out of this
Вот из этой берите.
cover of birch tree, usually people do handicrafts, and it can be noticed as Russian national handicraft of birch tree.
Вот она так вот, вот она березка.
So this is how 1st of May is going on in Russia, and the next holiday will be 9th of May. It will be Victory Day, and I will make the video about this holiday as well. So stay tuned, follow our channel, and see you soon. Пока-пока.